Geek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy NHL tickets or National Hockey League tickets here on the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left, press on the home screen, or go right beside that in the bottom left, press on the magnifying glass, go to the top and search for NHL tickets. But if you go back to the home screen here, if you were to scroll down a little bit to where it says browse by category, you can press on view all and then press on sports, press on view all. If you want to filter it to NHL at the top here beside NBA, press on NHL. Now, once you're here, what you can actually do is, so for example, I have the city of New York selected as kind of my region. That's why I have the Devils, the Flyers, the Islanders, etc. If you go to the top right and change the location, you can find NHL tickets for your location this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy NHL tickets on SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.